In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create report on chat and email conversations in Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are looking at the main navigation across the top. We are going to start in the reporting area because that is where Hubspot keeps all of the tools for building and organizing reports. Go to the top navigation and click Reporting, then click Reports. This takes you to the Reports dashboard, where you can view existing reports, manage saved reports, and create new ones. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place by looking for the Reports interface, including options to browse or build reports. Next, move to the top right corner and click Create Report. This opens the report creation flow and gives you different ways to build a report depending on what you need. For conversation reporting, the best option is a custom report because it lets you choose your own data sources and fields. Now select Custom Report Builder. This opens a flexible builder where you can decide what type of data you want to report on and how it should be combined. This is especially helpful when you want insight into chat and email conversations and you want to shape the report around your team's workflow. When you are prompted to choose your primary data source, select Conversations. This is the key step because Conversations is the source that includes chat threads and email conversations handled through the Conversations inbox. Setting it as the primary source tells Hubspot that your report should be built around conversation records first. If you need more context in your report, you can add additional sources. Choose Contacts if you want to connect conversations to specific people, such as filtering by contact properties or segmenting by lifecycle information. Choose Activities if you want to bring in related engagement details depending on what you plan to analyze. Only add what you need because extra sources can make reporting more complex. Once your data sources are selected, go to the top right and click Next. From here, you will be taken into the Report Builder where you can continue configuring the report based on your selected sources. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.